In this video, I'll show you how to fix the NVIDIA installer error that says, NVIDIA installer cannot continue. Method 1. Check GPU compatibility. This error often means your PC doesn't have an NVIDIA GPU or it's not being detected. Press Windows plus X, select Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. Make sure you see your NVIDIA GPU listed there. If you only see Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, your GPU drivers may be missing or the card isn't seated properly. Method 2. Reseat the graphics card, desktop PCs only. Turn off your PC and unplug it. Open the case and carefully remove and reinsert the graphics card. Power it back on and check Device Manager again. Method 3. Use DDU to remove old drivers. Download Display Driver Uninstaller DDU from wagnardsoft.com. Boot into safe mode, then run DDU to clean out any old or corrupt NVIDIA drivers. Restart your PC after the cleanup. Method 4. Download the correct driver. Visit the official NVIDIA driver site, www.nvidia.com/download. Select the correct GPU model and Windows version. Download and install the Game Ready or Studio driver. Method 5. Install the driver. Run the installer again. If your GPU is properly detected, the installation should now complete successfully. Bonus tip: always make sure Windows is fully updated and that your BIOS/chipset drivers are current. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more PC fix tutorials.